today we're gonna go over how to do a crunch. So we're gonna come on down to the floor. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and so on. So when we break that down, the benefits of our exercise, building strength through our anterior core or the front side of our body. The way that we set up is by bringing our feet nice and close, pushing them into the ground, fingertips soft on the temples, and we're simply gonna roll the shoulders away from the floor as we push the ribs towards the hips and lock the eyes to the knees. Coming all the way back down, nice and controlled. So we have a couple different ways that we can add progression here. So speed, the faster that we perform the exercise, the more the heart and lungs come in, the better overall conditioning for the body. And then 2 is gonna be range. So ideally, we wanna try to get as high as we can because we're getting more contraction through those target muscle groups and we're gonna get a lot fitter, a lot faster. Coming all the way back down, trying to get the shoulders just a little higher every single time. Our common faults in this exercise is allowing the feet to move away and then taking away from that strong brace or the recruitment of those target muscles. The other one is lifting the feet and swinging into this. And now really the momentum is what's causing the execution of the exercise rather than the isolation through the abdominals. So that's gonna be your crunch. Find the option that works for you and every day just work on getting better and eventually you'll be able to do them really fast and really strong and you'll have that 6-pack.